I hope that everybody can help, figure out how to stop destroying themselves and what actually is a poison. And I could list, what actually is unhealthy for us, like even cold plunges. That's not healthy. People think that's healthy, or going in saunas, things like this. You're just, enervating your body. You're dropping your core temperature, and then the body has to use so much energy and nerve energy just to fight to bring your body back up to core temperature. That's not healthy. I'm sorry. People feel relaxed, yes, because their body is directing all the energy inward to, to recalibrate, to bring it back up to core temperature, and then you feel all kind of out of it and relaxed. Well, sure, but that's just another form of stimulation, and it's not promoting health. And same with the saunas. You're like putting yourself in these hot, intense environment, and the body's excessively sweating, and that drains you. And I can feel it if I have like a hot bath or something, like it drains you. Just knowing what is enervating, what drains the body, what keeps the body in good health, like everything changes, and it's not rocket science, and it is easy to figure out, but you have to be reasonable. You have to be willing to not resort to extremes.